Now, to get our organized content into this Adobe project, rather than digging through a bunch of folders in the media browser, we're just going to use the ShareBrowser extension, which is available for free on the Adobe Exchange. All right, now that I have my panel open, I can use it to browse my storage, find and preview clips, and even create and import ShareBrowser bins and metadata without ever having to leave Premiere Pro. This panel extension is also included for After Effects, but we'll save that for another webinar. As I mentioned earlier, ShareBrowser metadata is universal and can be exchanged with our production application. The tags and comments from the ShareBrowser become descriptions and log notes inside of Premiere, so we can use them to reference throughout a cut or create search bins to automatically group clips by the metadata from ShareBrowser. This makes it easy to identify shots or group our music and sound effects files.